All right, so last section. Be sure to know these verbs and which type they are. Seriously, you need to memorize that this goes in this column, this goes here. That's easy, that's the only one. This goes in this column, and this goes in this column. You either memorize it this way, or you memorize the changed stem of each of those verbs. So, duerm, and that's just me following the rules. I got rid of the IR ending, I got rid of the O, and I changed it to UE. So you can either memorize those and then do the thinking on the test, or you can memorize these right here. So duerm, quest, almuerz, jueg, prefier, repeat, piense, pid, entiende, quiere, and sirve. Now don't forget, and write this down, the nosotros form and the vosotros, but we don't do that, doesn't change. So I'm not going to say pensamos. I'm going to say regular old pensamos. Okay? But when I'm changing the rest of the verb, it's pienso, piensas, piensa, and piensan. Okay? Moving right along. Here are some questions. Now, this is the difference between last year's test and this year's test. You're going to see this. And you're filling in the blank from that. So, ¿qué blank de tus profesores este semestre? What do you think of your professors? And it'll say pensar for you, by the way. So, I'm talking about two because it's hinting at it when it says your professors. So, I've got to put that in the to form. So, it's piens. There's my stem that I got right there. And then piens, sorry, and then as, piensas. Okay? That's how you're going to do this. And there are writing questions on this test, so please be prepared. ¿Qué te gusta blank en los fines de semana? What do you like to do on the weekends, right? So it's the verb hacer. And this is actually a trick question because if you have te gusta or me gusta right before the blank, it's going to stay in its infinitive like this, and you're not going to do anything to it. And then the last one. En una fiesta de cumpleaños, las personas, and it's servir. And who's doing the serving here? Las personas. So I'm going to put the new stem, sirve, and then it's en because it's an IR verb. Okay? Sirven. And the last part just says, be sure to practice all the following questions. These would be great. We don't actually have a writing section on this test. Oh, yeah, we actually do. Sorry. We do have a writing section. So, ¿cuáles son dos reglas de tu clase de español? Two rules of my class are, dos reglas de mi clase son, hay que prestar atención y hay que pedir ayuda si no entiendes. Think of two rules that are rules of your class. ¿Qué tienes que hacer este fin de semana? Tengo que estudiar, tengo que limpiar mi cuarto, things like that. ¿Qué piensas de tus clases? Mis clases son difíciles, mis clases son fáciles. ¿Qué haces en la clase de inglés? Discutimos los poetas o las poetas y damos un discurso. There's something that I do in that class. And then, ¿qué haces si no entiendes algo? Debo, or I could just say it in the yo form, pido ayuda.